next to laundry, mop and shine up, sweep again, and by then it's like 7:50, and so I'll read a book, or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add a few new paintings to my gallery. I'll play guitar on it and cook, and basically just wonder when will my life begin. Then after life just pauses and darts and baking, mache, a bit of ballet and chess, pottery and ventriloquy, candle making. Then I'll stretch, maybe sketch, take a climb, sew dress, and I'll reread the books if I have time to spare. I'll paint the walls some more, I'm sure there's room somewhere. And I'll brush and brush and brush and brush my hair, stuck in the same place I've always been. And I'll keep wandering and wandering and wandering and wandering. When will my life begin? Tomorrow night the lights will appear, just like they do on my birthday each year. What is it like out there where they go? Now that I'm older, Mother might just let me